Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see page version history in Notion. If you've ever changed something on a Notion page and later wished you could go back to an earlier version, the version history feature is exactly what you need. It lets you review previous snapshots of a page, check what it looked like at different moments, and either recover specific content or restore the entire page to an older state. This can be especially helpful if something was deleted, edited by mistake, or simply needs to be compared with an earlier draft. To get started, open the Notion page you want to check. Make sure you are on the exact page whose history you want to review, since version history is tied to that individual page. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the page options, where you'll find several useful settings and actions related to that page. From that menu, select Version History. As soon as you click it, Notion will display a chronological list of past versions of the page. These versions are typically organized by date and time, which makes it easier to track when changes happened and identify the version you may want to review. Now, click on any snapshot in that list to preview what the page looked like at that specific time. This preview is useful because it allows you to inspect older content without immediately changing your current page. Take a moment to scroll through the snapshot carefully, so you can confirm whether it contains the information you need. From the preview, you have two main options. If you only need a small portion of the old content, you can copy specific text. Just highlight the section you want, copy it, and then paste it into your current page. This is a great option when you want to recover only part of an earlier version without replacing everything else. If the older snapshot is the version you want to fully bring back, click Restore or Restore Version, depending on what appears on your screen. This will revert the entire page to that previous state. Before doing that, it's a good idea to double-check the date and contents of the snapshot so you restore the correct version. And that's all it takes to view page version history in Notion. It's a simple but powerful feature that can save time and help prevent lost work when edits don't go as planned.